What is up everybody, Gistic here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to search by image on Google. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is open up Google. So once you're here, you want to get to Google Images, so just search up images and just go to images, Google Images, and then you want to grab your picture off your desktop or wherever you have it saved. I'm going to use my old profile picture, and you want to drag it into the search bar, and it's going to say search by image. So you want to drop the image, and it's uploading, and here we go. This is what comes up. It is called the Hey Violet hoodie. Oh, I guess it's like a cover art for a song or something like that. I didn't even know this. So it'll come up with every result which uses this image, which is it's pretty cool, you know. Then if you want to search another image, just X out of that, get rid of this, and then just drag another image into it. And you can do this with any image, it doesn't matter at all. And then it comes up with aesthetic rose header, and that is exactly how I got this. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. If this did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And if you have any problems, please leave a comment below. Yeah guys, that is basically it for this video. Have a wonderful day and peace out.